cabbage.
No, it's not cabbage.
Half moon. It look like
Yes,
a moon.
it's a half moon.
It look like a moon. It's a
Yes.
half moon.
Yes, it's a half moon.
Can you
Pineapple.
give a kiss to the half moon? Can you kiss the half moon?
Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA.
But we are not in JA. But it's Wagwan Wayafi time.
Who's that pretty girl? Who's that pretty girl? Who's that pretty? Who's that pretty girl? Who's that pretty, 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 pretty?
Midaya Panigaza.
Tell us in there, Panigaza. Wait, Tyler, wait. You guys, it's a brand new day in JA. And we are leaving. Let go of my hand.
Okay.
We're leaving out right now, heading out on the road to pick up some fresh fruits and vegetables at the fruit and vegetable supermarket. I just got done washing my hair. So that's what my hair is looking like. That is drying right now. Yeah. Say hello. Say hi. 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 Say hi. Hello. 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 Yeah, good girl. Yeah. Say bye-bye. 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 I love to when she said bye-bye. Anyway, you guys, you'll see babe in a bit. Tyler want to say something.
And we did don't forget to look at me doing it. Little exercise.
All right, there you have it. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. We love every single one of you, every 15,000 plus of you. Anyway, you guys, we're heading out right now with this bunch of cuteness. You guys also baby in a bit. You tell them bye-bye. Say bye-bye, faves. We're heading to the car. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're heading to the car. We're heading to the car. To the car. To the car. To the car. Ready?
Yes. I want to tell you something.
What do you want to tell me?
Ma, when you were saying something to Faith, Sarah, I saw Sarah was saying no.
You guys, I'm gonna go try and put the kids to the car until babe get done on his phone call. Go on, come on, let's go. Bye bye. Bye, princess.
Bye.
Come on.
Bye bye.
Bonjour. Tell her the bonjour.
Bonjour.
Come on.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Stairs.
Go.
Why not say stairs? Mama, why not say stairs?
No.
Why?
She doesn't like when you hold her hand in her. She's a big woman. She wanna walk on her. She wanna walk on her. Come on. Come.
She wants to walk on her own.
Come on. Tell her go so she can follow you. Come on. Let's go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sarah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mama, follow me. Just come with me, Mama.
Come. Tell her to the car.
If today I was going,
Come.
Mama, if today I was going to school, I'll be already at school right now, right?
Yeah.
I'm in a canteen.
fruits and vegetable store doing a quick veggie run and fruits run. Tell her one pineapple, you find it?
Extra.
Look at it first. Look at this good.
You want this one? Extra sweet.
Yes. Extra. But I want that one.
Yeah, but you have to look on them tie. Some of them no look good. This one. This one is good? Hmm?
Yes.
Alright.
Carrot.
No. Oh, no zucchini. Your sister Lolly fell. Go and take it up. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. This one looks nice. Yeah. I pick up the wrong factor. Those are the thick leaves, but I want this. The thin leaves. So why are you going so far away? Come back in the middle.
Come back in the middle and Mama gonna do it today.
But I want to give this thing.
You give the things to Mama.
You're gonna give the thing to me.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's your day today.
It's not me they want to see to the hall, it's you and Mama.
I never see you. You boy?
Say hello to the babes, please.
Hi
And why
guys.
you not in the camera frame?
Walk.
Because you're all
Hi,
little.
guys.
Alright. Go ahead.
Hi guys.
Okay, so on the list it say what it say? Papa, can you read what it says?
Why you don't read it? You read it. What it say?
I can do it. Haricot plat.
Quoi?
Haricot
Coco
plat.
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 Okay.
C'est écrit comme ça. Alright guys.
Alright. Let's do the fruits and vegetables.
You see guys, I hope you're all doing well, better than I. I'm coughing, so I think today is the day to leave my space, my spot to you.
You tell them that you start drinking green juice as of yesterday because I cussed you out. That you don't like to drink what's good for you.
Yeah, this one was sweet.
Cussed him out good and proper yesterday and he said okay. I'll start drinking green juice. So I had green juice yesterday morning and he had green juice this morning. He's not having a big glass like I am, he's having like half of mine.
So come
but it's
here.
a start.
Come here.
It's a start. What?
So you I save my coughing.
Mama.
And you do the haul. So you
talk
give
too
them
much,
to
you
Mama and
cough.
Mama give the fun.
Alright.
Mama.
I don't have no fun. I'm just gonna tell them high and dry what it is.
Boing.
Mama.
Boing.
What is this? What is this, Tyler?
That here. No, it's not zucchini, but
It's
no,
what?
Is
Zucchini.
Tourne-toi, on te voit pas, on voit que
Turn.
ton dos.
is
It's banana.
No, it's ripe plantain.
It's banana plantain.
Papa.
C'est banane plantain en français.
Banana plantain.
Banane plantain.
Papa.
Banana plantain. Oui, Tyler.
Anyway, you guys.
Oh,
You're too slow, Tyler.
this
We
is
got-
spoon. This is spoon.
Okay, finish.
That is ball.
Apple.
Apple.
No, it's
Apple and
ball.
banana.
Green.
Apples and
green
bananas.
plantain.
Yes, Tyler.
Kiwi.
Yes, turn. Do fast. Mommy doing everything. What is that?
Thyme.
Time. What time is it?
Sorry.
No, seriously, you said time.
It's time to
Time. Go fast.
Lemon juice.
Right.
Lemonade. Papa.
Cabbage.
No, it's not cabbage.
Half moon. It look like
Yes,
a moon.
it's a half moon.
It look like a moon. It's a
Yes.
half moon.
Yes, it's a half moon.
Pineapple.
Can you give a kiss to the half moon? Can you kiss the half moon? Well, some people kiss the egg. You don't want to kiss
They
the
don't
Papa,
want
what's
to
this?
egg.
You don't
What's
kiss
this?
the
I don't
cabbage.
know what it's that.
Oh, you don't know what is it? Is this for Papa?
Celery.
It's both of it.
Okay, this is called ananas.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. This is very sweet. You know that? So
That's
you
why
have
it's
to
called sweet
kiss
potato.
the sweet potato.
Papa, look at this moon.
So why Mama don't want to kiss the sweet potato?
Why never kiss the sweet potato?
Mama only kiss egg.
Papa,
Yes,
Papa,
Tyler.
look at this moon. It's
Pumpkin.
This is what? Pumpkin?
no, it's another moon in crab fountain.
Oh,
Coconut milk.
coconut milk from Grace. And 99 cents.
Broad green bean.
This is the green bean plat. C'est ça le coco plat. Ça c'est coco plat. Haricot, coco
And
plat.
by pak choy.
Pak choy, she took the wrong pak choy. I was wondering like, why she took that? And then she give me another one and say, does she know what she buying? But like, she obviously she knows what she buy. And then 20 seconds after, she come back to me. Put back the stuff, I took the wrong one. She always looks so sure. That's a cover, that's a poker face.
Because you have to be confident in whatever you do, even if you know you're wrong. Be confident in yourself at all times. Don't let your opponent scare you. Be confident. And that's me.
And check others.
Anyway, you guys.
That's it.
That's a little supermarket.
Does it? But it leaves one thing. In this, what's this?
Alright, guys, that's it for today. And Tyler, go back to work. You go back to work. You're gonna back to do some things interesting and smart. And
Tyler's on vacation, so even though Tyler's on vacation, we still have stuff to work on for school, like what's in his book that his teacher says he needs to work on. So we're working on those. And what we've been doing today, this morning, what we did, what we've been working on.
We're
Come back up
cutting,
here. So when you're talking, come here.
cutting with the scissors because
Come back up here.
you need to improve and don't
What we
cut on the
working
side.
on?
You need to cut straight on the line.
Working on what?
Cutting.
Right.
Cutting. You need
Because
to
when Tyler
improve your
cutting at
cutting.
school, he's not cutting properly. So we
Oh,
have to
no.
teach him to be patient and the correct technique to use a scissors.
There's something with Tyler. When
Working on
Tyler do
cutting.
the things right, he's getting so excited. Oh, but when you do it wrong, it's so sad. So whenever we see
It's overconfident.
in his book that he do things wrong
When he obviously knows how to
from
do
the
it.
teacher, we're trying to teach him
Of course, we work
the
on
proper
it
way
together.
because at school they're like what, 20, 25
Teacher
kids?
can't attend to
So
everybody.
they can't attend to all of them. So it's not much, it's just little. We don't do
Right.
school at home, but we just teaching him how to
He can't be on vacation
put
for 2
his-
weeks and do nothing
right,
what
how to
schools
put
fancy.
his fingers properly in the scissor, how to cut on the line. That's little things, but yes, he need practice, and then when you go back to school, he's
Yes,
all
star.
excited.
Because you now know how to
And
cut.
you won't have donkey heels. Donkey heels is the last one. You want to be donkey heels?
Alright, you guys, that's everything we got at the fruit and vegetable supermarket. Mama caught you watching brother's tablet. She can't give her brother a break. She just woke up. Tyler was watching his tablet and she's just hovering. The love that these two have for each other is just amazing. I wish they're like this forever. When they turn adults, they still love each other this much. My heart would be so happy to know that they have each other backs, even when I pass on and life still carry on for them. Why am I gonna cry? Why am I getting emotional? I just really hope that they live and grow up to be this happy. Look at them and be this connected to each other and be this close to each other. It doesn't matter how old they get. I really wish that for them. Sarah loves Tyler so much and Tyler loves his sister so much. It's just unbelievable the bond that they have. You know, that's another thing about me doing YouTube. You guys don't understand that putting out the contents out there for you guys to see is just a bonus, a good bonus. But capturing this for them to see when they grow up, man, is just everything. I wish this never ever changed. Look at her. I just want to freeze this moment. Well, that's exactly what I'm doing right now by recording it. But wish I could freeze there every day, but that's not possible. So we'll take what we can, right? I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the office. I'm in the lab.
Teacher is not that office.
It's my office.
No, it's not.
You guys, I'm about to make dinner for the family right now. So I am going to whip up a nice chicken veggie stir fry for Babe and I, and some rice with veggie for Tyler. There we have it, guys. About 10 minutes and dinner is ready.
That's the moment when the day of the parent begins. The relaxation begins.
Now we're gonna either have some wine, watch some TV,
Relaxed.
and call it a day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.